It's me, your boy RJ. And
Collin.
we're gonna change the wipers here. Yeah, I know it's not that big a thing, but as you can see, come over here and show them. Bring it close. These wipers ain't got no wipe.
They just
There's nothing there. Can you see it?
They don't got no wipe.
There's no wipe left, okay? So these are actually a pretty simple wiper. Collin, show them how you do it. Come over here. Can you come closer? And I'll switch out of the way.
So you just press this button right here, and then you just pull up directly from the middle, right there.
Lay it down softly.
Just
lay that under the thing. Put the wiper under it.
Under what? Right
under
here?
the bar. Under the bar so it doesn't crack your window.
Right there?
No, under the bar. Lift the window bar up.
Oh, right here.
And there's a base. There's a protector.
Between
Lower it down.
Okay.
Slow.
There we go.
There you go. Okay. So for this, they're both 18s. We just went with the low end Michelin's because they're like $7. And they're already pretty easy. As you can see, it's got the hole. You just pop it in just the same way. And this one's like that. See it right there? And it's got a little clip, and you do it. Okay? So, is there a second bar on it? Hold this. Here's the new one. It's just got this, and the thing goes right through the middle like that. Okay? So go ahead and grab that.
Where does it go? Like in there? I just put it through like that. Put it through right here.
Push right through. No, it should push. No?
It's going.
See me do it?
There we go.
There we go.
All right.
And it's, as you can see, it's on.
It works now.
And it's latched. It won't just pop off.
Yeah,
Okay?
This one was bad.
So, we just got the cheapies of the same kind. We might get the beam style later if we can find one that has the same system. They recommended these, and these were like $6, $7.
Yes,
so,
about $7 each.
Let's go to the other side.
Yeah, same thing. You just click this button right here. It's more on the inside this time, and then.
Gentle when you pull it off. Remember, you don't want to hit your glass.
I know.
Push the button down. Pull it.
I'm pulling. It's not going.
It is.
It's not.
Just pull up. You need me to do it?
Hang on. Yeah.
Okay. Gently lower it onto the glass.
I'll hold my hand in the way.
Get up.
I'm good.
Yeah. Alright, same thing. Pull it off. It's counting. It's okay. Nope, I'm just gonna pop the new one on. You already showed them one.
You didn't get it. You don't have to do me like that.
No, I didn't do it like that. You did yourself like that. Alright, same system. You got the bar here, so it's right in the right spot. I got it backwards. I do. Is it backwards? Yeah.
That means it was backwards at first.
No, it was right on the other one. Okay.
There you go.
Frank, this guy win. No, I got it backwards now.
It's backwards now.
I don't know, right? The pin's got to be in the middle, right behind it, because now we're going to be up too high when it goes up. Alright, now let's figure this out. I did it wrong. Pull this. Pop right out. So I need a screwdriver right here. Pop up. It's a little different way when you do this one. You gotta wiggle it gentle. So it's gotta go the other way. It wouldn't go in at first. You all saw it, right?
You just have to push down kind of hard.
In the right spot. I don't know why.
You just kind of push down hard. I had to.
It goes there. I don't know. But yeah, that's
There
right
we go.
way.
All right.
You need it so that it goes right here through this part.
That was the most. I know that was a painful watch.
Yeah, painful watching. Sometimes we like that. Alright, so keep watching. I'm going to do some more videos. I know these are just little things. Not that important, but if you like it, please like and subscribe. It helps during these times so we can get some more stuff done and get this vehicle done so we can pass inspection and he can drive it. Alright? As always, I'm RJ.
See you each every day. Bye-bye.